Please be advised that the contents of this video can be very disturbing to some. This video contains scary content. It is a work of fiction. It is not real. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Bronx Police Department. A local girl aged 7 with blonde hair named Samantha Brown was declared missing at 3:28 p.m. today. She is 4 foot 3 inches and was last seen on Urban Avenue earlier Tuesday. If you have any information about the location of this girl, please call 800-843-5678. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Bronx Police Department. The girl reported missing has been found dead by construction workers, floating in the sewers. It has been confirmed the girl was beaten to death and bitten across her head. It is recommended that you keep your children indoors for the night, and for the foreseeable future. The Amber Alert is no longer in effect.
Me, please don't be mad at Pennywise. I did not mean to do that. I just wanted to play. But she didn't want to. So I killed her. And I know that you're listening to this. And that's why I'm coming for you. See you soon.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Departments, in conjunction with the New York National Guard. It has been confirmed that the broadcasting stations were hijacked by a foreign transmitter. However, it is unlikely that at this point, that the message was a joke. We now could very well have a murderer on our hands. Stay tuned for further updates.
Oh no, that wasn't a mistake. No, Pennywise is real. I can tell you a bit if you don't believe me. Well, I was looking for people to play with, and she came along. I asked her to play, and she said no. So I asked her name, and she said Samantha. Samantha, I said, do you want to play with me now? 'Cause we are no longer strangers. Samantha, Pennywise. Pennywise, Samantha. And she said no and tried to walk away. So I produced a teddy bear, and she wanted it. So I told her to come closer to get it. But I told her that if she tried to pull away, I would have to pull her in. She took the bear and tried to run, so I bit her leg off. Everybody had left the street by that point. They thought she was just some random girl. So I bit her leg off, and then I dragged her down. I beat her over and over again. I slammed her face into every solid surface in the sewer. And then after I was done, I bit her head, tore off her frontal lobe and a bit of her brain. And she died beautifully. And now, you. Yes, you. Do you want to play with Pennywise? I know you do, but I think you're just too shy. So I'll have to come say hi. Don't move! Don't go away. You know what? Stay there. I'll be back. I'll come visit you at your house and we can play for days. Ah!